Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Otis. Today, we're going to be working inside. It's gloomy weather outside. It's about to rain. So, I wanted to have an episode, so I'm going to try something different. Pan-seared skillet ribeyes. We're going to see how that works out. Right now, we're going to go ahead and season these bad boys up, let them sit for a while, and around dinner time, we'll get the skillet out and get to cooking. Cooking with Otis. All right, I got 2 Angus prime bone-in ribeyes, but there's a hole in one. I'm not golfing. That'll teach me to not go get it myself and let Instacart pick them. Well, it's okay. We have a little bit of work to do. So, got my coarse black pepper, secret weapon, lightly sea salt, and one more secret ingredient, and then we'll let them sit for 3, 4, 5 hours and come back tonight and go ahead and finish up the episode. So tune in. Cooking with Otis. Well, we're done. Our steaks are seasoned and dressed and ready to sit for a couple hours. Have a look. Here we have our seasoned and dressed ribeyes, ready to sit for a couple hours in the fridge until I'm ready to pull out the skillet and pan sear these bad boys. So, here we go. Cooking with Otis. Tune in. And we're back. Skillet, steak, pan-seared ribeye. We let it rest. Let's go ahead and cut into it and see what we got. Cooking with Otis. It's a little bit more done than I wanted, so I know to take it out sooner. But as you can see, got one more to do, so I know what to do next time. This was a trial run, and you probably want to get meatier steaks or ribeyes than what I have here. But as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and taste. That is not bad. All right, well, there you have it. Cooking indoors. We're cooking with Otis. We'll see you next time.